Hi guys, Jamie Thomas here. Today we are checking out the funnel suite on the Disney Destiny. This is the most expensive room on the Disney cruise ship. Let's go check it out. Hi guys, as I mentioned, I am Jamie. I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, and I'm here on the Disney Destiny preview cruise. As I mentioned, we are going to be touring the funnel suite. This is the most expensive cabin on the Disney Destiny. If you are interested in booking this, make sure to contact me. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, and I offer up to $1,000 in onboard credit. My contact information is all in the description below. Let's go check out the most expensive room on the Disney Destiny. There is actually stairs to get upstairs, or if you need an elevator, there is an elevator also available. I recently had back surgery, so I'm gonna opt for the elevator. Let's do this. We have some lovely Iron Man artwork here. And then heading up the stairs has very Doctor Strange vibes. Okay, love this. Iron Man artwork, yes please. This is room 1400, Iron Man. Tony Stark's heart. How cool is this? For a Marvel fan, this is ultimate awesome. This is really cool, guys. Your key actually activates this right here. So when you walk into your suite, that is going to activate and turn on and greet you. Pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, so when you walk in, you have some nice seating here. You can have your dinners here even because you're a luxury concierge guest. And then you have a little area to hang out here. You can play some family games, watch a movie, and there's a little bar area right here. And let's look at these views. These huge windows are absolutely stunning. Here is a bathroom on the main floor. How great is that? Just off of the main living room right here is actually another hidden little bedroom. And you have a TV, a sofa bed, and then kind of like a little vanity area here, which is really nice. And then right over here, you have another bathroom. And how amazing is this bathroom? Absolutely gorgeous. And then you can head up the stairs to the next level. Here we have chandelier area, and I love that there is kind of baby gates on all of the stairs. It's really nice for families with kids. Okay, here is another room. It says web access only. Let's go check it out. In here, we have kind of like a little vanity area. And then check this out. Proof that Tony Stark has a heart. If you are a Marvel fan, this is really cool. And then right off of the vanity, we have a TV and then bunk beds. And those are darling. I love that they're Iron Man colors. Beautiful. And then right off of the bunk bed, we have another bathroom right here with a vanity and then toilet and a shower. Look at these views. This is from above the kind of living room area, and this is the chandelier right here. Absolutely beautiful. Now let's go check out the final bedroom. Wow, oh my goodness, I literally gasped. How beautiful is this? Look at that ceiling. Wow. And you have some views over here too. Wow, that is magnificent. And then over here, we have a vanity area and a TV, very large screen TV, and a closet. Oh my goodness, it's a huge closet. Wow. Oh my goodness, look how big this is. This is huge. I'm trying to like stretch out. It's a massive closet. You could have another person sleep in here. That's how big it is. Wow, like this is just phenomenal, this room. Wow, I would stay here in a heartbeat. And then over here is a bathroom. Whoa, oh my goodness. Okay, so double vanity, absolutely stunning. And then the bathtub, wow. Oh my goodness. Like, how beautiful is that? And then here is the shower. This is a huge shower. This bathroom. And then what's over here? I'm guessing oh, it's a toilet. Yeah, that makes sense. I was thinking a steam room, but that doesn't make sense. Makes more sense to have a toilet at a bathroom. Okay, so here's the vanity. Absolutely beautiful, his and hers. And then the tub and the shower, which is just huge. And then of course, because you're concierge, you get robes. Okay, and then over here, we have another bedroom. And how beautiful is this one? Very similar to the last one, but I would say this one's just like a touch smaller. You have over here, TV. In here, a closet. And then right through here, we have the bathroom. Wow, beautiful. So we have another tub. Right there is the toilet. And then we have a double vanity sink. Absolutely stunning. And then over here, we have the shower, which I absolutely love the colors. So Iron Man, so beautiful. And then you also have the most gorgeous views as well, out the window and also down to the living room area. But look at those views, like how gorgeous is that? So this suite actually fits up to 8 people. So you could bring the whole family on this and really just have the best time ever. Like you would be treated like concierge. It's a luxury vacation. And if you are a Marvel fan, it just doesn't get much better than this. My kids and me, I too, we would be absolutely thrilled to stay here. This is top notch, the best vacation you could ever have. Okay, a fun little nugget about the room with the bunk bed for the kids. This room here, it has a button that if you press it, it says stars on it, and Iron Man will actually come up in the ceiling in the stars. And I don't know if you can tell, but that's his chest, that is his hand, and then his face is right there. That is such a cool, fun little thing. What kid wouldn't want to go to sleep with Iron Man just above their bed? Like, that is the ultimate for a Marvel fan. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. If you are interested in booking a Disney cruise vacation, make sure to contact me. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. My contact information is jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or you can contact me through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.